Hey, to use keyboard Clipboard on the Pixel 8a, first of all, you will have to just click on this, anywhere to open the keyboard. So for example, you can do this in the Google widget or in the settings. And now when you get this keyboard, you have to click on this icon and show this clipboard icon. When you click on it once, you will be able to turn it on by tapping on this button. And now as you can see right here, we can find some recommended stuff. Some base instruction. So let's say that I want to input this phrase, hello, and now I want to copy this, and I have to select copy. Now, if I open the clipboard, I can find it on the recent. If I want to pin this phrase, I have to click and hold it and select pin. There we go. So now it won't actually disappear. I can remove these tips, so I can click on them and tap delete. There we go. And now, if I want to quickly input this phrase from the clipboard, I have to just open the keyboard, click here, and now I even got the suggestion. But if I want to open the clipboard manually and select other message, click here, tap on the clipboard, and select it one more time. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.